Hi friends, welcome to Maths, and today in my video uh, um, we are continuing our part 4 of Amazon shopping mobile. So now what we need, let me show you. So this is Amazon. Now when I click this cart type of thing, these things which I want to order must come. Means what I have ordered. So what do we need to do? It doesn't come anyway. So let's check what we can do. But first we need to run our game. Let's check. Wait a second, let me just look if there is any problem. Okay. Just click 2 times. I think we should just go with red, because when the sprite is clicked, I don't want like that. Yeah. I think party hats. Okay, I got party hats. But when I will click, I want a cart button. But how can I get a cart button? I think we should just put it a bit as a small from here, over here, right? Let's check if we can do that. Wait a second. Okay. Go in paint. And now let's make sprite in a black. No, I don't want any fillings. Equal to 1.8. 1.8. Yeah, this is looking much better. I want this to be this big, but we are just going to fill inside what the things we want, and then I'll just set a size a bit small. So let's check. We can do it something like this, and just go into shaping and make these something like this, that it must look like it's a cart bag, right? And make some lines, drawing to look at and make it like it's a trolley that will go in supermarket or etc. And make it something like a table, right? Oops, Control Z. It's too much. We was on 18, right? Now you can just undo your drawing, and also again undo my drawing, and I think we should start from here. No, this also not looking good. So I think this much is enough. Now I have to copy this and delete this. Yeah, I have to delete it. Now make a square type of thing, right? And give it a color like this, and I don't want any of the outlines. And set it to be something like big. It's too much small. I don't like this. Like this much, almost covering everything I wanted. Now paste the things that you wanted. Yeah, this is it. Now you can minus the screen. I'll set it as I want. And now go over here and select all the things. And then set a size a bit small, like this much. It's a bit type of rumble. I have an idea. Should do it something like this. Means something like this, and a bit fat. I think this much is enough, but its size a bit big, so I'll just let its size to be 98. That's also not good. 86 plus 9. Enter. Wow, it fixed. Now 70 means 7 plus 6. What? It's not doing like that. Let's keep it as 86. And but then also I don't want this. Let's 74. You can set its size as 52. Enter. Yeah, 52 is much better for me. And let it be something like over here, right? I think this much is looking good. When clicked, no. When the sprite is going to be clicked, it will something type of bowcast shopping shopping MONEY shopping money. Okay, now what do we need to do? Paint a sprite. As we know that we need to paint a sprite just without anything. Yeah, without anything. Without anything, what do you need to do is that in the previous all of the games, let me just show you. Let me just show it. And let me just show you. This was Amazon shopping mart, which was used for just vegetables. As you see that I drawed something like this because I want to show you Paint 3D and draw this order type of block, and that's why I drawed, but I'll just delete it, right? Okay, it's again raining. I'll just close the window. Now, let me just tell you what we have to do is now let's save it, leave it, see inside. So at the same time, we are again going to draw our simple sprite, which is not going to have anything, and set it to 0. Now let's check. Yeah, it's in the middle of go in variables and new list, name CAR cart. For this sprite only. Yeah, is going to just for this sprite only, not for other sprites, right? And I only wanted this only for this sprite. Now I think when this sprite is going to click, it will book us shopping money. Now when I receive what we have made this shopping money, and go in variables and again get our list. Money. What should I do it? I think when it's going to do that, are all of the things that we wanted to order that must come. But how do we made it to get our order? How? Let me show. But I want this to be hidden list, right? Now it will show this list, and let me just show this list. Let's try just show this list, but I don't want this list to be like over there. Yeah, I think this is good, right? Empty. Sprite 5. Okay, we don't want this sprite 5 to be. Let's keep it as SHOPP shopping CART COD. Enter. Shopping cart code empty. Now, what do we want to do? Right? Go over here, but before that, this is a rough place, right? And if you want to really make a rough thing, just click on paint a sprite and go in code, and you can just make some rough things. Like when you click this, is it working? Start sound pop. Let's yeah, it came. So you can just if it works, then just go in other. Then oops, let me just go in back. Where was open your backpacks and then just send this to backpack, and then which of them you want to do. I think I should just put it like this and drag and drop. Yeah, this worked. See. So, did you saw that you can just make a rough thing also? And if you don't want this and after you are almost done with your rough things and etc, like and change volume by minus, set volume 100%. Let's check. So this and when you're done, you can just go in backpack, and I told you just drag and drop all the things, and if you don't want it to be like that, so you can just click on delete. Just right click this and delete. And I don't want all of them. I'll just delete the sprite. Now show list card. Well, I just want this to be empty. I don't want to delete my this what's called this rough sprite. I don't want to delete this because this is our main sprite. So you can also define is that main sprite. Just go in costumes and costume and write costume MANI main sprite, right? main sprite 1. Enter. So this will your main sprite, right? Now, okay. When the sprite is going to click, bowcast cart. C-A-R-T, cart, right? Now I want okay. No, I want this to be not over here. I'll just take this in backpack, delete this code. I'll just do some rough work. Like, let's see if this works. When the sprite, where's the sprite? Where is the sprite? Where is the sprite? Right? Okay, I can see the sprite. I think when sprite click the bowcast cart, right? So it's going to bowcast cart. So this is almost in my backpack. Just go in every sprite, and what to do is drag and drop this. Click a sprite, drag and drop this. So don't you think that this is the easiest thing? And you are also getting a YouTube tutorial, so that you also get your all of the things that you have any of the doubts, you can just write them in the comments, so that in the next, if there is any video left or any part left, I'll just continue that what you wanted. But yes, when I'm just making the video, you should directly just go in comments and write. But if you're late and you just want that time to be the comment posted, so you need to subscribe, so that so that you just get the notification. And if you get any of the notification, you can just see what's the answer for your doubt, right? So our rough work is to be over here. I don't want this, just click on right click and delete. Now this is our rough work, so you can just draw anything you want. But yes, that should be in the proper way that the code should be. So this is our last part, and this will be a really big video, like for 20 minutes. Well, our 70 minutes is almost gone. 17 minutes, not 70. Okay, so the code is to be like, when I receive card. It's a problem, right? That we need to mix too much. Now, delete it. Okay, dress. GLASSES. Enter. Glasses. Go over here. When I receive, where is it? When sprite click bowcast glasses. Over here, that I really don't want it to be like everything. It's just going to be the same. So what you have to do is, when we have our glasses, so it's just going to bowcast glasses, right? I don't want to bowcast is anything, and don't worry, because this class and this class have really difference. So it's not going to mix your any of the things that you want. Okay, and round up so many things. Bowcast glasses, and take care, if there is glasses then only. If not, we are going to have any other things for that. Yeah, glasses, right? Now when I receive glasses, it's going to add GLASSES glasses to cart, right? I want glasses when it's going to receive glasses, and these are hats, so it's going to bowcast hats, not any other things. HATS, enter. So you need to just do that right in capital, because we have almost bowcast hats, right? So that will be a big problem for everybody, and also you can just get to understand. Now it's shoes, so it will bowcast shoes. Okay, shoes. Where are shoes? Oh no. SHOSES. Enter Boca shoes. Very simple thing is this, that you have to just drag and drop and just get some of extra things to do. Not too much code. Just I need to take it, if there is shoes, then only I am allowed to do shoes. So it's party hat, so it will bowcast hats, means party hats. New messages. PART means RTY. HATS. Enter. Party hats. Party hats. Where are party hats? Yeah, these are party hats. Oh, it has made a combination. Shoes, shopping money. Okay, it's letter B. Party hats. So it's a good combination. And I always wanted this only, so that I don't need to do. And okay, we have dresses. Boca's dresses. DRESSES. Enters. So it's really simple for anybody to follow this. Now the last thing is that we need to code. After selecting all of the things, when I receive glasses, when I receive anything, it's just going to do that. See, it was really simple, right? Now what do we want to do? Now how do we produce it to order? Now how? Well, our 23 minutes are almost gone, so I can't go through this, because your half an hour is almost going to end in part 4, so I don't want to do that. So let's end our video. So bye friends, I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.